The Magical Singing Bird, a tale of kindness and harmony.
Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there was a kind-hearted young girl named Lily. Lily lived in a small cottage with her loving grandmother. They spent their days tending to their garden, singing songs and telling stories. One day, as Lily was gathering berries in the enchanted forest, she stumbled upon a tiny wounded bird. Its delicate wings were injured, and it couldn't fly. Lily's heart filled with compassion, and she carefully scooped up the bird and brought it back to her cottage. Lily and her grandmother tended to the bird's injuries. With gentle care, they made a cozy nest for it by the window, and fed it nourishing seeds and berries. Day by day, the bird grew stronger and healthier under their watchful eyes. As the bird recovered, something magical happened. It began to sing the most beautiful melodies. Its songs carried across the fields and into the hearts of all who heard them. The people of the kingdom marveled at the sweet sound, and soon news of the miraculous singing bird reached the king's ears. Intrigued by the tales, the king summoned Lily and her grandmother to his grand palace. He hoped the bird's enchanting songs could bring joy and harmony to his kingdom. Lily and her grandmother gladly accepted the invitation, taking the bird along in a small cage. Upon their arrival, the king greeted them warmly. He was delighted to meet the young girl who had cared for the bird so selflessly. The king listened intently as Lily explained the bird's story and how it had found its voice. Intrigued, the king requested the bird to sing. As soon as the bird began to sing its melodious tunes, a sense of tranquility filled the grand hall. The king and his subjects were captivated by the magical sound, feeling a deep sense of peace and happiness. Witnessing the profound effect of the bird's songs, the king had an idea. He proposed that Lily and her grandmother, along with the singing bird, would travel throughout the kingdom, sharing the bird's enchanting melodies with all the people. And so, Lily, her grandmother, and the singing bird embarked on a joyful journey. They visited towns, villages, and hamlets, spreading the bird's songs far and wide. The melodies brought smiles to faces, healed troubled hearts, and filled the kingdom with love and harmony. The people came together, celebrating the gift of music and the kindness of Lily and her grandmother. Their acts of compassion and the magical singing bird became the stuff of legends, passed down through generations. Lily, her grandmother, and the singing bird continued to bring happiness and unity to the kingdom for many years to come. And in the hearts of the people, they remained a symbol of the extraordinary power of kindness, the magic of music, and the beauty that can be found in the simplest acts of love.